Chapter Quadratic Equations. Let us understand the nature of roots. So we know the general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So for this quadratic equation we have already done in the earlier video the roots, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these are the zeros, are those points where the value of the polynomial becomes 0, or we can say that the curve of the quadratic polynomial cuts the x-axis. In other words, we can understood as the roots of the quadratic equations are those points where the curve cuts the x-axis. If we plot a graph, so we can understood by different cases. 3 cases are there. The first case is b square minus 4ac. So this is the term. If it is greater than 0, then the roots are two distinct real roots. And the two distinct real roots are minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the second root minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these are the two distinct real roots in the case of b square minus 4ac greater than 0. And in such case, if we draw the graph for the given quadratic equation, the following figures looks like this. And here if we observe, the figure shows that the curve of the quadratic equation cuts the x-axis at two distinct points. So here two distinct points, and here also two. These 2 points are nothing but the roots of this quadratic equation. So the second case is b square minus 4ac if it is equal to 0. This if we substitute in this equation, then the roots are x is equal to minus b plus 0 by 2a. Therefore, the roots are two equal real roots, and they are minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. So here also, if we draw a graph, then the figures, if we observe here, the 3 figures, they show that the curve of the quadratic equation touching the x-axis at one point, at only one point. So the coming third case, b square minus 4ac if it is less than 0, then the roots are no real roots and the roots are imaginary. So here if we draw the graph, then in this graph we can observe that they neither intersect nor touches the x-axis at all. So they are real, there are no real roots and the roots are imaginary. So here the 3 cases are dependent on b square minus 4ac. So what do you call this b square minus 4ac? So b square minus 4ac determines the whether the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has real roots or not. So b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So at a glance, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we have two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we have two equal real roots. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then no real roots and the roots are imaginary. So b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation.